A customer asked us how to easily tell if a TMR angle sensor is too close or too far from the magnet. We're heading into the lab for some data. We have an AAT angle sensor evaluation board and a rotating magnet. These sensors have a remarkable 10-to-1 magnetic field range. We replaced the normal 1/4 inch spacers with 1/8 inch spacers so we can get the magnet closer than normal. Here's the normal spacing for this eval board. About 1/4 inch from the magnet. The outputs are sinusoidal, with a 90-degree phase difference between the sine and cosine outputs. On an XY display, the Lissajous curve is circular. If we move the magnet too close, a third harmonic is added and the sine and cosine outputs are straighter and slightly non-sinusoidal. The Lissajous curve is slightly square. This can cause measurement errors. Moving the magnet too far away, the outputs are non-sinusoidal and the phasing is slightly off. That causes a squaring of the Lissajous curve, and it's tilted because of the phase error. If we move even farther back, 18 millimeters from the sensor, it's remarkable that it works at all, but the outputs are distorted and the amplitude drops. So we've seen the remarkable air gap tolerance of these angle sensors, and how you can easily tell if the magnet is too close or too far. This is the board we used for this demo.